All right, guys, welcome back finally to another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower. We got our buddies from Virgil Naff. They sell these, so go see them if you want to buy. Yamaha, this is the YXZ 1000R SS, and they brought it to us. They put on a dyno here because they want to find out what kind of numbers it's going to make. And then they're going to install a turbo kit from Yamaha, bring it back, and see what kind of numbers it makes after that. So we'll fire her up, see what kind of numbers she does put down, and see what happens. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so pretty badass, really. Right off the factory floor, makes 85 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque. This is at the wheels, okay, so not at the crank. It makes more at the crank. I think it's rated at around 100 horsepower at the crank, so this seems about perfect. They're gonna install a turbo kit, bring it back, and we'll see, what the increased numbers are. So stay tuned for more episodes of Real Wheel Horsepower, and make sure you like and subscribe. Driver Motorsports.